Hey chickies, thanks so much for hanging out for a bit today. We're going to be reviewing and wear testing an eyeliner glue, and this is from the brand BL. This is their BL Glue Eyeliner, and this is for strip lashes. If you're new here, I'm Christine, curate beauty, lifestyle, as well as raw vlogs. Greatly appreciate it if you please subscribe to my channel. Would absolutely love it if you'd be part of the Chickie crew. Also, please don't forget to give this video a like and hit that bell to be notified of new videos. You guys know I absolutely love testing out eyeliner and lashes to see if they really do hold up throughout the day. I mean, who wants to have their lashes like falling off midday? We're going to be testing out today from the brand BL, and this is their BL Glue Eyeliner. Now, just to let you know, today's video is in collaboration with BL. Thank you so much for partnering with me for today's video, but you know the deal. I'm going to be putting it through the ultimate wear test, and we're going to see how it holds up. So let's go ahead and open it because I haven't even tried it out yet. So this is what it looks like, and here is the tip, which I believe is a felt tip, and this is in the color black. And let me go ahead and do a swatch of it. So it is pretty pigmented. I will link it down below in the description box. The revolutionary BL Glue Eyeliner is an eyeliner and lash glue in one product. It's a quick, easy, and mess-free way to wear false lashes. Simply draw eyeliner, place your fake lashes, hold for 2 to 3 seconds, and you're good to go. Not only quick and mess-free, but BL Glue Eyeliner will keep your falsies in place all day long. Color is jet black. It's a felt tip pen, and it's designed for clean lines, smooth application, free of formaldehyde, latex, and parabens. So if you're allergic to latex, this is one that you might consider trying out. Let me scoot up a little bit closer so you can see how it applies. First, curl my lashes really quickly. Shake the BL eyeliner before use. I typically like to draw a wing. I think that's good. I'm not trying to do too much of a crazy wing, and I'm going to apply some lashes, which I will also link below. They're a pair of foaming lashes. That was really easy. I'm gonna fix my line. I always like to go back and fix the liner. The lashes are on there. Add a little bit more liner just to clean it up. That was really easy. Let's go ahead and do the other side. Application was really easy, and that is on there. Let's just even out the liner. I would say that you only have a few seconds of playtime, so you want to make sure that you have your lashes already cut, prepped, ready to go. When it completely dries, it does have a matte finish. Right now, since it is still a little bit wet, it does look a little bit shiny. So I'm going to go ahead and just clean up the eyeliner with a little bit of concealer just to sharpen up the edges a bit. So it's been about 5 minutes and the lash glue has completely set in place. I mean, like I said, you only have a few minutes of playtime, and yeah, these lashes are in place, intact, at least for now. So we're going to go ahead and head out, and we're going to put these to the ultimate test. This is staying at home, so we're going to see how it looks at the end of the day.
Got caught in me of everything I know is that I want everything and nothing at all. But that part of me that never knows I know is it's getting old to me and keeping my eyes closed. I've been thinking about you. I've been thinking about you. I've been thinking about you lately, baby, lately, baby. I've been thinking.
We're back home. It is 8:36 p.m. I haven't really had a chance to fully examine how well the eyeliner glue is adhering to the lashes. It was very windy. Take you in a little bit closer. They really held up quite well. I can see though that, yeah, this side is holding up really, really well. This side adhering well. Oh, we have a little bit of lifting right here on the inner corner, which does happen, but I mean, the rest of the lash is like intact. It's not hanging on for dear life. Just wanted to also show you guys that I did wash my hands a ton. The liner glue itself didn't budge, so I wanted to do a really quick test. This didn't transfer to my lid or even down below. Apply a pump of soap. Let's try to see how this removes with soap and water, because I am curious. Do this little test. And I am rubbing fairly hard on my hand. With soap and water, it removed one completely, not really the other one. And generally, you don't want to be scrubbing your eyes that hard. Your eyes are such a sensitive area. So let's remove the lashes. Makeup remover wipes. This is what I have on hand. On the box, it does say place cotton pad soaked in makeup remover for 5 to 10 seconds on the eyelid and wipe off the liner. I'm going pretty gentle. I'm not like scrubbing my eye. That was really easy. No pulling or tugging or having to really struggle to remove it. You just have to make sure you use a makeup remover. Overall thoughts, for the price point, this is definitely worth checking out. The ease of using this felt tip liner was very easy. It's very pigmented, and attaching your lashes to this is super easy. You just pop them on and you don't really have to worry about it. I didn't have any smearing or smudging throughout the day, which is great, and it also has a matte finish, which is another added bonus. Very easy to remove with makeup removers. Also held up quite well throughout the day at Six Flags Magic Mountain. I would love to hear your thoughts on the BL Lash Eyeliner Glue. How do you feel it held up throughout the day? Also link this down below in the description box in case you're interested. So I hope you enjoyed hanging out today and found this video helpful. If you did, please make sure you give it a like, subscribe if you have not already. Would love for you to be a part of the Chicky crew. Thank you, Chickies, so much for watching. Stay safe and healthy, and I will see you in the next video. Mwah.